Join Healthy Basement Systems, where we transform not just basements but careers, too. At Healthy Basement Systems, we're more than a team. We're a family. We value innovation, hard work, and fun. As a part of our sales team, you'll be at the forefront of our mission, which is to be the contractor of choice, by giving great service to our customers and each other.
I've been working at Healthy Basement Systems for over 7 years. What I love about working here is I don't have to do any cold calling if I don't want to. My leads are set for me. I have a significant income, and I just love the environment where management is supportive. It's a team. We're not in competition with anybody, and it just works.
What I like the most about working at Healthy Basement Systems is the amount of training and education that comes from Larry Janeski and the team at Contractor Nation. It truly gives you the skills to improve yourself both personally and professionally, and ultimately helps you create a life you could have never imagined.
So before working at Healthy Basement Systems, I was a customer first. That's how I learned about the company. I truly know the value and benefits of the systems we design and install. Upon interviewing and learning more about the company, I really fell in love with the fact that this company leads with its values first. Values like integrity, leadership, growth, innovation, and education.
We invest in our people, offering extensive training and career advancement opportunities. Are you ready to build a rewarding career with us? Apply now and be a part of our success story.